All right, guys. We'll be starting this. We're starting the live stream very soon. Very, very soon. I just need to round up with some stuff, and I will catch you up with you guys pretty soon, and we can start. The can you start? Can you just start? So, be with you guys in a minute. Just give me some few minutes. Let me round up what I'm doing, and we can go live. And good, looking good for a sell. If there's any opportunity, I want to send it out to the group before we go live. But let's be saying, let's just be saying. I will update everyone on what's going on, and I'll let you guys know on what I'm doing. But for now, just please just bear with me, and we'll start the stream in the next 5 to 3 minutes. Then we'll commence. We'll commence properly. All right, guys, we are starting now. We're starting now. We're about to start. We're about to start this zone. All right, guys. We are active and we're looking at opportunities. That's what we're doing right now. So I'm active online and we're looking for opportunities. So guys, let's see what the price market can give to us. I was waiting for this to play out. Probably we'll get a quick money sell before anything happens. Okay, it didn't play out. Okay, close below inside this range. So uh, let's go over to our time frame and let us go over to daily time frame. And from there, we'll work our way through. Work our way through. Work our way through. Let's start with the daily time frame. And let's see. So I've been away for a while, guys. I've not been away, not like away. Network has been making trading for me very difficult. So I've not been able to come on live stream to stream. So for now I'm here. So let's see what today has to offer. And this week has a lot to offer. Actually, this week has a lot to offer. So this is good daily time frame. Let's look at daily. So this is good daily time frame. The bias for the day is bearish. You can see you have a bearish momentum, a bearish sentiment. So that's the current bias for the day, and that is what we are looking to trade with. So that's what we're looking currently to trade with. So we have a bearish sentiment. Now, if I go to my 4-hour time frame, guys, just give me 1 second. I need to figure out some stuff. Um, we have some bearish sentiment. So what I'm going to do next is, since the daily is bearish, you can see how we have bearish momentum. So naturally, you should be looking for bearish opportunities in the market based on what we are, based on the sentiment of the market. You get me? But that's not what I'm looking at currently. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Since we're scalping, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. I guess find our way through. So looking at this 4-hour structure. This is 4 hours low, greater than high, but this is the current daily candle. You get me? So we don't know if the bias for today is going to end up being bullish, because the previous day bias is bearish. So we don't know if the current day bias is going to end up being a bullish momentum because of everything going on in the market, right? Everything going on in the world right now. So we don't know exactly what the price is going to do. So this is me trying to figure out my own sheet and what price is going to, what price is trying telling me, and what I will likely start to win or lose in the markets. Do you get me? So going to my 1-hour time frame now, let me do a bit of breakdown. So now the previous 1 hour which closed about 48 minutes ago, then closed below this 1-hour low, and the current 1-hour candle, which closed in 11 minutes, haven't seen close below the structure. So you can see that there's price rejecting off this level here. You can see market structure is actually rejecting off this level. So a lot can happen in this place, because if you look at my left as well, you can see this is the area where price have rejected from in the past. So price has gotten to this level before and actually pushed away from this level. So we need to be careful about what price does there. In as much as I'm still looking for selling opportunities, the buys can still play out looking very good. So let's scale down to the daily time frame, and let's 30 minutes. So let me show you what I can anticipate in 30 minutes for me to enter any opportunities. Now on the 30 minutes time frame, if I get a break and close above this level, this could be a good opportunity for me to buy. So this would be where I'm looking for my buys currently now, because price has been struggling. You can see that it has literally failed to continue to the downside. Even the 15 minutes, even the previous 15 minutes, I expected to close below fail to close below. So if I can see this bullish close, this current 15-minute candle closing bullish, which is going to make the current daily candle 1 hour candle to flip to the bull. Get it? Basically, this candle will flip bull. So I will look for an opportunities for me to probably buy. But still, the same might still play out if the candle close bearish. So what I don't want price to do is something like this. Okay, let me just show you guys quickly. What I want price to do. Like multiple things can happen in this market. Like multiple scenarios can happen in this market where we can either buy or sell. But this is exactly what I want price to do in order for me to give it a chance, a buying or selling opportunity. So what I want price to do for a sell, if you can get this kind of my okay, probably this candle closing bearish like this. So this should also be a 30 minutes close. So the next candle should come up and look the structure, and once it feels bearish, then I can look to sell. I can look to sell something like this. But at the end, today is Monday, so there's no pressure on the market. You can see it's also rejecting. You have about 9 minutes. Then for selling opportunities, for buying opportunities, sorry, if I can get like a bullish structure, but I have a problem with this current level here. So I think I'm going to adjust my levels to this point here, because it's also when it breaks above this level as well. So let me remove this first. So I'm going to adjust my levels to this point, because this is where I'll show you where it broke this point. And if I measure my structure a bit, it's over 30 pips, it's good enough. But for sales are better because sales have a much cleaner range and for price to cover. So if I look at my sales are about 70, 80 pip range. You can see it's about 80 pip range. So let's wait. So two things can happen here. Either this 15 minutes, like a lot of things can happen here. There's even opportunity, there's even possibility that we might even miss the entire trade. So this trade can probably end like this, the way it is like this. You get, and the next candle can just come as one big bearish candle and just fill up the wick. So this is another thing that could happen in the market. You understand? There's a lot of things that could happen in the market. But let's just wait and see. So I'm looking for sales below here. I'm looking for buys below here. I need a bullish structure closing above, or if I miss that level, then the next level I'm looking at is above this structure here. So this is a much cleaner buys, price breaking above price breaking above 3366.001. So that's where I have like a much cleaner opportunity for price to push to the upside. So if I get that, then I will look to execute and hold the trade price to keep pushing upward. So that's exactly what I'm currently looking at on gold. So let's go over to GJ and let's see what GJ is telling us currently. Let's go over to GJ. So we have about 7 more minutes. So let's see how the structure ends in the next 7 minutes. Then we know how we can enter this trade. You get me? 7 more minutes. There's no rush. Let's just wait. It's all waiting game. Because it's all a waiting game. So let's just wait. So GJ. GJ is very bullish. GJ has been very bullish since last week, if I'm not mistaken. Been very bullish. You can see it's very bullish and it's approaching this daily high. And if I go to my weekly time frame, this is my weekly time frame, you can see that it's approaching the weekly highs. This is a weekly resistance. So price is trying to approach weekly. Like today candle just move rapid. Like today candles already moved about 150 pips. Damn. So each session was crazy. Initial session was crazy. So let me take up everything and just walk our way through. So looking at our daily, put our daily resistance, then go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at so in 4 hours time frame we can't see any level. Like we can't see anything that we can trade off. Like price is just pure bullish, like pure bullish momentum. Like we can't see any single bullish sentiments where we can bearish sentiment where price can retest and we can buy off. So price is just going to the upside. So let me look at my left. What I can see on my left is just levels where price can likely retest. So this is a place price can retest, and this is a place price has also broken above. So this is what I can see there on my left hand side. So let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. and let's see what's going on in 1 hour time frame. So it's looking like the current 1 hour candle has no bottom wick, if I'm not mistaken. So I think it has no bottom wick. Okay, it has no bottom wick. So right, it's looking like it's already rejecting all this level, which is good, which is also so good for us. Price kind of rejecting this level, which is good. So we need some kind of candlestick rejection for us to buy, because like I said, it's only bullish and this is a level price that's broken above. So we need price to like um come back to this side. If price can like print out some bearish momentum, come back to this side like this, something like this. Then if you get like a bullish closure above, then we can like buy it. You understand? So if you get like a bullish momentum like this, then we can buy it. So this is something else we're looking at. So let's even look at. I didn't even look at FOREX Factory. I didn't check out FOREX Factory was doing today. So there's actually GPP news by 9:30. So but it doesn't affect us currently. When like this our trading section, it doesn't really affect us. So that's what I want TG to do right now. So looking at the 15 minutes, so I think it's about it's just into so let's see if we can get like a retracement to the downside. They look for like a support level, trying to create like a support level for us. So once we get that support level, then we can look to and probably look to buy the market to the upside. So that's what I can see, that I can tell you on this pair. You get me? That's what I can just tell you on this pair. So let's go over to our gold. Let's see what gold is doing. So gold is currently pushing up, like I said, like I anticipated. Like I wanted that bullish momentum, where you can see that we're currently getting that bullish sentiment. So let's see if we get a closure, then we can look for how we can place a trade. Today is Monday, so basically get an easy trade and we break an easy money. Do you get me? This week is supposed to be. This week is actually my birthday week, guys. This week is my birthday week, so feel free to wish me happy birthday in advance. My birthday is on Thursday, and I might likely do a giveaway on chat. So let's just be seeing how it goes. I likely do a profile giveaway to somebody, like 2 people, 3 people. I don't know yet, but let's see. Let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So that's it, guys. So I'm waiting for this. Waiting for this candle to close. So let's wait for the candle to close. So wherever I close, that's how it's going to. That's how I know what I'm going to do next. So, instead, I'm looking for buys above here, sales below here. But still on the 30 minutes, it's still looking very much okay. It feels like this on 30 minutes. So 30 minutes has its own bias, 15 has its own bias. But since 15 minutes has broken this level here, I might get it from here. So let's just wait. Let's see how it closes. Then we know how we're going to execute. So we have about 2 more minutes. So you guys just get your guns and armor ready for a possible opportunity in the market. You can just get stuff ready for possible opportunity, because you might get a buy soon. So give me 1 second, guys. I need to quickly do something and I'll be back. Let's quickly do something. We're back. All right, guys. So the candle is ending in 44 minutes. So let's see exactly how this candle ends, so we can know how we can place a trade. So let's see how it ends, so you know you can place a trade. And the way it's ending right now, should I or should I not? Or should I just stick to the 30 minutes? Let's stick to the 30 minutes. Let's stick to the 30 minutes. Let's see what's going on. So if you look at the 1 hour now, you can see the 1 hour has flipped bullish. And you see close above this structure I was talked about. You understand? So they might be, it's like it's double bottom. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we get a decent retracement. We need a very decent retracement. That's what we need now. Decent retracement. Then we can likely put a buy stop above this level for price to continue pushing upward. And just I need a decent retracement. So 24 pip is okay. But I need a decent retracement. If you don't get that, I might not bother by trade. But let's see. So I'm placing a buy stop on the trade. It's still going to happen, guys. Let me look at this very well. Look at this very well. Look at this very well. I'm up to say I'll wait. Let's wait for this structure to break. Let me take this out. Let me take this out. Yeah, let's wait. So price can break above, activate us, and just speak back down. And we don't want that. So let's just wait. Let's wait for a very clean setup. If you miss the move, you miss the move. Today, like I said, today is Monday, so we're not in a hurry for anything. So I removed the buy stop. There's no need for any buy stop because I looked at the structure properly, and we have to just wait. Just have to wait. When price break above the structure, then we can know what to do. But the deeper retracements, the possibility of price flipping bullish and pushing upward. So, but nah, let's just wait. Like let's wait. Let's wait. This is the structure, so we have to wait. Let's wait for price to do what we need price to do. Then we can consider entering the price. Like I said, today's Monday again, so there's no rush, there's no anticipation to get back into the market. Just want to enter the best possible trade you can place. You get me? But this price can see flip and push to the upside. You get? You can see flip bullish and push to the upside. But you just have to wait. Just have to wait. I know it might flip, push up, miss the entire move. Or it is what it is. So let us wait for this structure to break above. Then we can know how we can go about it. Waiting, guys. It's a wait game. Once we wait, we get opportunities, then we'll place a trade. It's still a wait game, guys. We're waiting. So looking for buys above here. This is exactly what we're waiting for. 10 more minutes for the count to end. Then we know exactly what we're doing. You get 10 more minutes. 7 minutes, guys. And I'm cool. And you might see end up missing the entire trade. No waiting. Like I said before, there's one big candle you can just push down, and everything is like that. You guys, one big candle can just push down. Or let's see what possible we get. Possible we get what. Eh? Down right there. Very funny. Crazy. And it will be back on the stream, man. It will be back. It's supposed to be back, guys. Seven more minutes, guys. So while waiting 7 more minutes, let's look at what GG is doing as well. Let's see if GG is doing anything. See if we can. So GG is also rejecting. Let's see the 30 minutes close as a bullish candle, yeah. So looking at my left, is there any 30 minute support there on my left hand side? Yeah, I think that's what. Let's see. Okay, I don't think there's any structure on my left hand side. I don't think there's any structure on my left hand side. So what's going to happen is when I started trading, when I started trading like 2019, 2018, there's one setup we call divergent. I don't know, it's a setup called divergent. So they usually use indicators to identify the whole level. Like you see the thing to be like down here, like crossing some EMA down, and they say according to the setup, you know exactly where the trade will start reversing. Like that, you know, like that's a reversal candle. So this is like the formation for reversal. Then back then, well, we got to know how trading works properly. So this is it now. I've gotten this is my resistance level, and fine it says, but this is also a support level. So this is the range I'm working with. So let's see how this exact structure plays out, and we know exactly what we're going to do and how we can implement it. So that's just it. We're still waiting, guys. So gold is rejecting. So we see, guys. What we see? We are waiting. TJ, okay, gold is pushing down. So we have 3 more minutes for the candle to close. So can we get a bearish closure below this structure? So we're waiting now. Let's see if we'll get a bearish closure below the structure. So once we get a bearish closure like this, we get, then we can wait for price to reject. Then we can sell like this. You get, so this is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do right now. So let's wait and see how price closed. Then we know how we. No closure below, no sell. You get, no closure below, no sell. So green price will close below the structure. No closure below, no sell. Okay, I'm guessing it pushed to the downside. So. Let's wait, guys. Once we see the closure, let's wait, guys. Two things can happen here, guys. Two things can happen here. Either this price leave us, or let's just wait, guys. Let's wait. It's a wait for probably price can. Let's see, guys. Hopefully this candle doesn't just drive and leave us, because once it gets to the middle, I can't longer look for opportunities. So we need a bottom wick now, like price will do rejection, like let's reject it. Then we look for retest. So let's see. So it should be like the area. So this is the area I need to put my buy stop, my sell stop. Okay, this is the area. So I need this candle to retest, like reject up first before pushing down. I need to do a top quick. You get. So wherever this candle this topic, that's why I'm going to put my stop loss. But for now, let's put my stop loss at 33 p. For now, but wherever this candle creates its highs, that's where I'm going to put my stop loss. I'm sending the trade out. So this is the trade. Okay, guys, I've set my sell stop. So this is where I have my sell stop right now. Price has not activated me yet. This is where I have my sell stop. And I just placed my bias now and I sent that to trade. So let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out, guys. Let's see how it plays out. Let's see it's going to close back into the zone or price will just weak, just flip bearish and we get an opportunity. So that's what I'm looking for currently now. I'm looking for sales. I can continue on sales stop. So let's see how it plays out. Look at. So I'm looking to close at this level, 45, 45 pip. This is like weak fill, but this is like the total range 70. So let's see. Once we get to like 10 pip, guys, I'm looking to move our stop loss to break even. So around here. So this is going to be since this is so my stop loss is going to change to 26 pips. So I'm going to update. I'm going to update. I'm going to update the group for stop loss. Let's wait and see, guys. Let's wait and see. So this is my analysis. Wait, guys. We got the flip. We sell. Are we seeing, guys? Where did the volume go to? There's supposed to be like a large volume in the market currently now. So where did the volume go to? Let's just move on. I should like flip and push. Just be volume in the market, man. I'm waiting, guys. About 10 more minutes. So I'm waiting. So once it gets to like let me look at the 30 minutes again. Once it gets to like 5 more minutes, so the candle close and we are not yet activated. We're going to simply just remove the sell stop and wait for the candle to close. So once it closes, we're going to just put the same entries. You get, like, if price doesn't activate the entry instance. So wait, as long as this candle close below this level, and that's when we just report the whole entry is booked. If it doesn't, and that's it. This is the main trying to push up. It's not ready. It's not ready for us. It's not ready for us. Let's wait. It's one day. Once is 8:30. What is 8:30? 8:45. That's it for me. See tomorrow. You guys. So I can't force any trade. Although I can still stay a bit longer, but it's Monday. Like I said, I'm keeping it easy, slow. There's no need for any rush. You see, it might not be every day, but I know that if you wait patiently, you see a very good setup 2 times a week. Very good, like a plus setup that when you execute the trade, you will definitely go your way. Definitely go your way. So let's see. Let's wait 10 more minutes, guys. 10 more minutes, we know exactly what we're going to do. If we're deleting our buy stop, sorry, our sell stop, or letting it slide. So we just this is as easy as trading should be. At least there shouldn't be any more difficulty in trading. Yeah, this is as easy as it is. So we can see that it is rejecting, like strongly rejecting, and stop loss like changing now. What's going to happen is that let's just wait it out. Let's just see the other way and wait it out. Let's see. I just want to see how the 30 minutes will close. You get me? So this candle can decide to reject, and I'll see for my suppose where it is. So let us wait. Let's see. Let's wait it out. Let's see how it's closed. So we know exactly what we're going to do. Yes, I do. Let's go over. Okay. Okay, guys, it's 6 more minutes. So what I'm doing, I'm going to take this out. I'm going to delete this. So guys, I'm going to delete this. Let's delete it and wait. Guys, there is absolutely nothing going on. Market is it's as if market paused and it's not doing anything. So I don't know. I don't know. 30 minutes now is literally back in the range. You can see price is literally ranging, and it seems like it's still respecting. It's still trying to respect this level I talked about here. I don't know. Let's see if it's going to close above this level. Still trying to respect this level. But the problem is that this price has broken below this other low. You understand? Let's wait. Let's wait. If you don't do anything in the next 4 minutes, you call it a day, and you go again tomorrow. So that's basically it. If you don't do anything, you just call it a day. You come back tomorrow. I'm deleting my self stop right now. Let's delete my self stop on my phone. Deleted. So let's wait and see. I have to wait for the 30 minutes. Let's see. Wait for 30 minutes. Hopefully this candle turns to like it turns to a similar play whereby we have a weak bullish candle, like a candle closing weak bull like this, weak bull like this, weak bull like this. Then we can get a bearish candle closing like this. Then we can sell the low and make some money. So probably we can get something like this as well. So these are opportunities of what we can see in the market. You understand? But we have to wait 3 more minutes. So we have to wait for the candle to close. If it flips in the next 3 minutes and push below, so be it. Miss the move. But I have to wait. I have to wait so I can know where I can put my self stop and my stop loss and all. It's a serious waiting game, man. Serious waiting game. And something crazy might happen here. If I get this candle closing with bearish and the next candle break is high, there'll be opportunities to come along, or you just wait for the candle to break because it's within that line. It's within the line. Anyways, let's see. I said it's Monday, so I don't want to be either suppressing into it, rushing into it, taking loss by mistake. So I can on stream basically because I didn't stream for close to 2 weeks. You can see how June is literally dry. Yes, literally dry. So I think the last stream we placed on the stream was the loss of last stream we placed on stream was hell. Alright guys, we're about 1 hour on the stream and the candle has closed. This candle is trying closing right now. So let me do a fresh breakdown. There's nothing going on. Nothing going on. We're just currently ranging now. And on GJ is doing some crazy things. Wow. Doing some crazy things. He's doing some crazy things though. PTG some crazy things. But I think I will call it a day from here. I'll call it a day from here. You get. So if I eventually if I see any opportunity, any opportunity, I'll just let you guys know. There's nothing going on. So even down to place a buy stop above here, this candle has no bottom. So price is just doing its own thing, like it's its own zone. So like I said, we're still going to make money this week, but we can't. Making money doesn't mean that you have to force it. So we're not going to force anything. We wait for price to give us its best possible setup, then we place trades. So that's all we're going to do. That's like basically what we can do. So guys, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, same time tomorrow. I hope this stream was helpful. Do share it to your trader friends. Tell them let's build a community together, guys. Let's build a community together. Let's build a community together. I'm just like 10 subscribers away from 300 sub. So guys, please let's see if we can get to like 300 before the week's runs out. So share it to your friends, share the post. Let's get to 300 subs. We'll see you guys same time tomorrow. Stay blessed. Peace out. One love. And don't not overtrade.